far, excited talaga. Looking forward na kimpisan ba talaga.
Siya lang na-imagine kung makikita ko yung maghintay sa akin sa altar. For the years kasi na magkasama kami, yun, nakita ko talaga na maalaga siyang tao. Mabait, mapagmahal.
Koyang Jonel kang Graciela, Ate Graciela kang Jonel, this is what you want to give witness to. The love of God in your lives.
Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you.
Miel, the day I saw your eyes gave me chills and kilig deep down to my bones. I was stunned and speechless. I just felt that my entire life has a reason now. Bawat gising ko, para kaya kayo. Bawat galo ko, atso ka lagi.
Now and forever, with open eyes, your head.
Miel, thank you that you stayed with me through these years. And finally, this is the day.
The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever. With open eyes, your hand in mine, now and forever.
I just felt you are the reason I will be living forever. And I promise to be the best version of myself for you. Not just as a former teacher, not just as a former taga-sermon, not just ka-riding in tandem.
I still remember the first text message you sent me 8 years ago. Hi, cute. That made me feel love and became my inspiration. Habang tumatagal ang pagsasama natin, hindi ko ma-imagine ang buhay ko na hindi ikaw ang kasama ko araw-araw.
Jonel at Graciela, it was your love that conquered everything in your lives. It was your love that has seen you through, no matter the odds. Ing lugod yu, ing minyad sad, ke kayo. Because 8 years ago, oy ni na paling mebuo ke kayo. Ing lugod yu, king balang metong. At oy ning minyad sad ke kayo. Until this day, in the day of your marriage, sana ing lugod yu king balang metong, manatili ang gaking kamatayan.
I've been to Tokyo and back again through the snow of Michigan.
Alang specific reason talaga eh. Pero iya talaga yung balamong dinurot na agad kayo. Ako naatan siya na alaya lagi. Yan ang maging peka comfort ko, yung lugod ko.
Been around the world so wild and free. There's so much more I wanna see. But wherever I am, wherever I go, ain't nothing like home. Ain't nothing like home. Ain't nothing like home. Ain't nothing like home. From the neon lights to the open sky, ain't nothing like home. If I lose my way, I know a place where we
Aswan. Aswan. Okay, yan. Yabi natin si Joseph. Aswan, baby. Nung gumaga, yabi to, di ba?
Thank you for coming into my puzzling life, Mian. And I promise to love you, to be by your side, and to take care of you for the rest of my life. At sa mga magiging anak natin. Mahal na mahal kita.
I promise that in every living cell I have will be lived for you. I promise to be the best version of Miel you wanted me to become. No matter what, no matter when, no matter where, there's always a Miel, your husband, that will love you till death do us part.